Well, hi, everybody. This is Charles Harper. I want to welcome you to the PLR show, and we want to talk today, this is episode 8, about using your PLR to ask for the sale immediately upon getting it. And this is something that we recommend that our Ultimate Insiders do almost by habit. And it's one of the best ways of just being in the habit of having your focus in the right place. What tends to happen is that the PLR, it kind of rests on your hard drive, and I do know that for some time you may not even have a list to kind of send it out to. Most people have social media, and if you can do that, you want to put that put your sales page together or write your blog post probably within 24 hours of the purchase or 24 hours of your acquisition. You just want to be in that habit of getting the offer in front of the people that know you talk about internet marketing, that know what you teach. Maybe it doesn't mean that you're going to get the sale right away, but it's a good habit to start building. Almost certainly, you want to make sure that if you have bonuses, you should be placing them inside of your sales page. And when you put your offer and you make your offer available, it should be your best foot, the very best offer that you can. You want to take the product and turn it into an offer. So you want to make sure that you add some scarcity to it. You add some urgency to it, you add some bonus to it, and you add yourself to it, and that you put yourself into that sales letter. A PLR sales letter is really just designed to be generic, and you don't have to be super confident about your copywriting, but you do want to have this personal element because people are buying from you. And whether or not they like the subject matter, unless you just have totally cold traffic, don't know any of these people, most of the time they're going to be on your list, they're going to be connected to you on social media, and they sort of want to know if they can trust you or not. And so in that first 24 hours, add a bonus. In fact, if you know that you're going to be picking up something and you know that, let's say it's going to be on a certain subject, I like to use Facebook as an example, then you should have some bonuses that are directed specifically for Facebook. You should have some things that are ready to go. One thing that I like to suggest that might be unique, of course, you can go and get private label rights content from one of the memberships that provides you master resale rights. I think that's kind of boring, personally. Personally, I would make sure that maybe I did an interview. Maybe you know some Facebook experts. Maybe you know somebody who knows how to get traffic. And again, I'm using Facebook as an example here. Whatever your market or niche is, you just want to add a bonus to what it is that you are offering. And again, first 24 hours, it should be in front of somebody. Now, let's say that you don't really sell in that way. You don't want to put a sales page up. You don't want to make an offer right away. The first 24 hours, that course should be inside of your learning center. So, and organize. So whatever the subject matter is, however you have your content organized for your customer that are paying you repeatedly, that are paying you recurring, that content should be organized in the first 24 hours. In the first 24 hours, an email needs to go out to your subscribing members, letting them know that there's something new that you have. And this is just a habit that you can just pick up, that you can just almost, I know that it said that writers, what they do is that when their rear end hits the chair, they start writing. It's just a habit. It becomes reflexive. And that's really what you need to do when it comes to monetization is first 24 hours, put it in your learning center. Organize it. Make sure then that a notification goes out to let people know, well, hey, you've got something new. I've added something new. And you're communicating to people that there's always something new. You're communicating to people that maybe you did it last month, but I've done it again this month. So you want to keep communicating that you've got those new things inside of your learning center. And again, if you don't want to sell and you don't want to make an offer within the first 24 hours, you make sure that it's in your learning center and that you've communicated this new content is going to be there. All you're really doing when you're doing that is by telling people, well, hey, you're subscribed to me. You pay me monthly. I'm giving you additional value, and you should be communicating that all the time. And that's something that anyone can do, right? Anyone can add something to our learning center immediately and communicate that to, and even if you don't have any members yet, communicate that to your recurring members, to your potential members, because the repeat process of, let's say, every 3 weeks or every 2 weeks, however often you get new PLR, and you are adding it to a learning center, you keep communicating to people that they were subscribed, they'd be getting this. That if they were part of your membership, they'd be getting this plus whatever else you is that you're offering. You continue to talk about the value that you are offering. And you may, again, if you feel sheepish about, getting a PLR sales page and adding bonuses and putting it up right away, certainly you can add new content to your member center or to your learning center and start communicating to people that they can get that value on a monthly basis if they will commit to you. This is a good strategy that you can use with our new marketer workshop. We are doing volume 6 as of the recording of this session. You can pick up the most recent version at theplrshow.com/new, and you'll be able to get it. You can also get volumes 1 through 5, and if you don't see them, just reach out to me and let me know, and I'll make sure that you're able to get volumes 1 through 5. The best way to get everything we do is our own recurring program. It's called Ultimate Insiders. And as an Ultimate Insider, you're going to get 1 free funnel every month. Sometimes I might even do a bonus selection that you may get. You're also going to get a platform that you can use in order to sell your videos. I'll tell you why that's important. I just spoke to the fact that you want to get things up and running fast. And we've taken care of the hosting of that video almost immediately. So you're not going to have to worry about hosting the video. Right now, we're even working on a direct import so that you don't even have to upload it. And probably by the next time that you hear this session, or maybe a week from now, that process will be down, and you'll just be able to kind of go in to the platform that I provide for you as an Ultimate Insider and just click a button. That course will already be part of your learning center. You can sell it individually, or you'll be able to sell it as a course, and it's a pretty neat prospect. So with that, I appreciate you all listening and hanging out with me. And I will tell you that upcoming is Bullet Journal Playbook. And this is new content written by my wife, Laurel. And there will be some very good, good content coming to you. And she writes this. Right? I mean, she doesn't generate it. She writes the content. So you're in for a treat. And she's writing from the perspective of being a bullet journaler. So she's not just a researcher in this case. She's a bullet journaler, and so she's writing this content for you to sell to your customers. There are a number of affiliate programs that you'll be able to join if you just want to use it in order to sell affiliate products with her new content. So again, be on the lookout for that. We're excited about delivering that to you later on this month. She will be delivering to you Lead by Serving, which is our servant leadership PLR. It'll be the first title in the series that we're doing on leadership, and we're also very excited about that for you. So with that, thank you very much, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with me here. Have a great night and a pleasant tomorrow. Take care.